Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to attach the model Ahsoka's Jedi Interceptor to our display stand. Of course you are familiar with the model, so now I'm going to show you our display stand. This is our display stand. As you can see, is a very high quality material. You can go on our website audilab.store and you will find reviews that our customers have left on our website after purchasing not just this one, but basically all our display stands. Let's see how you can attach the model to the stand. And the first thing that you need to do is to flip over the model. So the model is flipped over and you will have to remove all these parts over here, and you can either reattach them in the same way that we are going to show you, or you can keep them on one side. It's up to you. So this is how it looks like. All the parts have been reconfigured. You will find this on the instructions which are delivered every time you purchase a display stand from us. The next step is to take the stand and you will attach it as we are showing you now. So this is how it looks like, and this is one of the options that you can display your model. This is the option where the model is pointing upwards, and there is a second option where the model can be attached to the stand where it points downwards. For the second option, this is what you need to do. And now the stand is going to face downwards. So now all you need to do is to put in the minifigurines if you want to display those as well. So minifigurines are set. This is how the stand looks like in the end. And maybe it's going to be very helpful to you to understand what is the height that the whole ensemble is going to take on your display area. Pointing upwards, the stand, as you can see in this video, is going to have 6 inches. So maybe this is a good understanding of what sort of space you need if you want to display this. Just about the same at the end. This is to let you know that all our display stands are shipped as seen. They are fully assembled and you don't have to worry about fitting or gluing any parts for them. Also, we aim to cover them in foil that protects them against fingerprints and dust. Also, the packaging is strong, durable, and provides excellent protection for the product inside. We truly hope that you enjoy our display stand, so please go directly on our website and order from there. We have an amazing rewards program where you can earn points, which obviously you can turn into cash for your future purchases. And for those of you who want to turn influence into income, we are going to have an affiliate program. All details are on our website. Thank you.